In this video we are going to cover some utility functions of Zvox CLI. Like those are like the helpful functions which we use for small utilities but not as a major task. Let me see one of them which I really is like the list files and the list all, and then there is get, and then there is a lot of them, I would say stats, meta, which are like utility functions. So first of all, like let's say list allocations. This functions will give you all of your allocations, like if you have more than one, technically it's one, so it will give you the read, write, price, etc. By the way, you can also use JSON tag if I'm not wrong. In some it's there, yeah, to get the JSON format. If you want, you can use the JSON tag, but right now we will simply use this. Now if you have a list allocation, you can use get. Let me see what are the parameters. Yeah, allocation JSON. So you can give your allocation and it will give you the data of your allocation in detail, a complete detail, allocation ID, transaction ID, parity, shard size, expiration, the blobbers, and then the blobbers complete detail for each blobber, 1 2 3 4, the read price range, write price range, and stats like use size, price, etc., all the details. And then there was, let's see what else. Get download cost, get upload cost. Okay, let's check them out. Get download cost, you can always, I mean, even I'm not that familiar with, I mean, we don't use that function a lot, so every time you see a new function and you're not where, just use this help tag and see what it has. Okay, allocation ID, remote path. Okay, this is for like download. So since I don't have a file, if I remember, okay, we have list as well. Let's see the list first. So for list we have allocation, auth ticket, JSON, lookup hash, remote path. So simply list means list files from blobbers. So I mean, you guys have seen this me using this method in all of my videos. I generally use remote path as bracket and a location tag. And where's my location? And it will simply show you the list of your files for that particular path. Okay, so since we don't have a file, we are not supposed to download, so we can't say get download cost. So let's check out get upload cost first. So get upload cost will give allocation, expected duration, keep upload file, and this is the duration until location ends, local path. Okay, let's try this out. So if I have to give a location first, I will give this a location. Then I think the local path is the most important one. Let's say, let's a video file, let's say I want to keep, and I don't want to give the duration, I say end. I will keep it till the end. Okay, there was something unknown flag allocation. We haven't specified the command. Get upload cost. Okay, it says tokens slash for 15 MB of, wow, nice. It will take this much tokens for this much time for this much size of this file. Wow. So let's upload it. Local path video allocation remote path rank. Let's upload it, then only we can calculate the download cost, right? First we have to upload it. It's a big file, I mean, compared to the other smaller files which I use for testing. It's a big one. It's a video file. Uploaded. Now let's check out the download cost and download allocation. And don't worry guys, I mean, if you don't have a location or remote path and somebody has shared a file with you and you want to check, you also have the auth ticket options. I mean, this is basic. I mean, if you know 0Chain so far, if you have seen all the other videos, you know we have two ways of doing things. Either we are the owner where we go by the allocation and remote pathway, or if someone has shared the thing with us, then we got the auth ticket and lookup hash way. So you can always use the auth ticket if you are not the owner. So right now I'm going the default the allocation way, since this is my allocation. Always use help, see the available flags. If you see that there are some missing flags or not enough flags for you to use this command, contact us. We will add, we will try to understand your problem. If there is, if the problem is genuine, if there are actually not enough flags for you to use this method, we will add more flags as per your convenience. So it's always, the option is always there to ask us, to add more flags. And for download, it's gonna take of 130 64 KB blocks of one. You see, it's all also told us these are the total blocks of this much it's gonna download. Wow. Upload cost, download cost will give you idea of how the upload download cost gonna look like. And if I'm not wrong, there was a method list all. I don't know what is for. Okay, check the help. Let's check the help. Okay, it only has one parameter, I guess. It lists all the files from blobbers instead of the particular path in a JSON format. Okay, this must have been implemented by some developer for some different purpose, most probably. List all. Okay, what else? Let's check out the help one more. These are read pull related. This is version, upload, update, allocation, update attributes, stats, meta. Yeah, why not use stats? Let's use list first. Stats, help. Okay, stats require allocation. Let's give it the allocation first. Then it requires a remote path. Let's give it a remote path .mp4. Let's see. Most probably, yep, that's gonna give you detailed stats of file each blobber wise. So there are technically 4 blobbers, file name, path size. I guess it's supposed the JSON tag, and I can see more information JSON if I'm not wrong. Table format shows less. Oopsie, I will remove this for now. So this is the stats for my particular file. Similarly, if I'm not wrong, meta should work to give me metadata. Yeah, in JSON. Let's remove the JSON. It is metadata of my file. It's a file, lookup hash, size, mime tab, hash, everything. So you can use meta stats. What else we have? Allo, cancel, commit, copy, cp info, challenge, full information, get diff, at wallet, get wallet information. Yep, wallet information. That's it, guys. There are a lot of them. We might be adding more or removing some, but whenever you can use this, just like me, help method, see their parameters, give the proper parameters. If you still don't understand, or you think there should be more parameters, more flags, let us know. If you feel that there should be more functions specific to this detail, that detail, we are happy to implement. So yeah, just reach out to us if you think anything is missing or anything is not perfect. For now, that's it. This is the utility function videos. We'll be creating more for other contents. Thank you.